Alright foodies, today we're diving into the magical, aromatic world of Irani Kheema. Step 1. Grab your pressure cooker because it's time to work some magic. Toss in minced meat or keema if you're feeling fancy, ginger garlic paste, a pinch of salt, a symphony of spices, red chili flakes, turmeric, coriander, cumin, black pepper, and garam masala. Don't forget the curd. Give it a good mix like you're mixing drama into your favorite soap opera. Now for the green gang. Into a blender goes mint, coriander, and green chilies. Blend it until it's smooth. Then pour it into the pressure cooker. But wait, don't you dare rinse the blender down the sink. Add a little water, swirl it around, and pour it in. No wastage, folks. Every drop counts. Drizzle in some oil, close the lid, and let it cook for 2 whistles. While the pressure cooker does its thing, we're multitasking like kitchen ninjas. Heat some oil in a wok, toss in chopped onions and sauté them until they're golden and translucent. Add a handful of green peas for the sweet pop of flavor, because who doesn't love a little surprise in every bite? Meanwhile, grab some spinach, boil it, cool it, and blend it. Blanching 101. Then pour the gorgeous green goodness into a wok. It's like adding a splash of health to the flavor fiesta. Now, time for the grand finale. Open the pressure cooker. It's like unwrapping a delicious present. Pour the keema into the wok and add some fresh dill leaves for a herby twist and let it all cook until the liquid thickens. It's the edible version of reducing life stress. And finally, garnish like a pro. Fried onions, green chilies, mint, and coriander. Serve your Irani Kheema with naan, paratha, or rice, whatever floats your foodie boat. And there you have it, a dish that's spicy, savory, and totally irresistible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more kitchen adventures because we're just getting started. Warning, side effects may include second helpings and spontaneous applause from your family. See you next time, bye!